nobody would know any different. So as you go through, just curl your hair in with the extension hair to bring those two together. I am using 1.25 inch curling iron from GHD. I have applied thermal protectant spray from Wella Thermal Image. Through that top crown area, I try to take that all in the same direction, so then that way you don't create a split. Everything else is going back and away from the face. And about the same width of section that fits around the curling iron. Don't need to section up, just grab in a horizontal direction. And this is set at 370, so that's a safe temperature for fine hair. Don't need to leave it on long. I wrap it around, keep it on the mids for a little longer, and then cruise through the ends. Now you can see, as I just pulled that apart, it gives her beautiful volume and fullness.